Hi everyone, my name's Travis. I'm 33 years old. I came from Florida. I first noticed my hair receding when I was about 18 years old. Started drifting away and then a little bit in the back. I looked at hair loss as, kind of the end. Kind of for the better half, I kind of gave up on solutions. And then most recently I found Hair of Istanbul, found them online, saw the testimonies of people. Really, it looked like an honest company to me. You can go through each profile, all the members, you can see they're actually real people, and I felt really comfortable. And so when I found this place online, I was skeptical. Even when I called, they were very rest assured that there was no problem, and flew here. The hardest part was buying the ticket. As soon as I got here, it came out to be true. There was no problem. They took care of me. They pick you up from the hotel. You come down and you do the surgery. It's minimal pain. It's obviously a needle going into your head, so it's just a little bit of pain, but after that, it's smooth sailing. Even at the time of it, I was a little uncomfortable, but then as soon as you kind of get out of your head, I fell asleep and woke up and it was over. There's 3 segments. The first segment, they do the extraction, which again, I fell asleep. And then the second part, they make the incisions for the holes. And then the third step, they actually place the hairs in. And that section, you're upright, watching TV, watching YouTube. They got music in here. The facility here is phenomenal. It's world class. I've never seen anything like it. Everything's modern and state of the art. So when you come in, they set you up. They will measure your face and they'll actually see what kind of hairline fits your face. And you kind of go off that and they draw it in there and they make sure it's comfortable with you're comfortable with. They can go more straighter hairline, more natural look. It's kind of up to you. So before you come, you can actually have something in mind and have that more prepared to show them. But they're great at what they do and they can point you in a direction of something that will work for your face. I absolutely recommend coming here. The biggest thing I've learned is balding is now a choice, and you can either continue worrying about it or come here and get the resolution. Sincerely, I'm blown away. It exceeded all my expectations. I really believe this was too good to be true. I'm still in here, still wondering how this happened, but it's real, and I'm here. I was sitting on my couch almost a month ago, and now I'm here giving my testimony, just like the many others before me.